for tuning in once again. I really appreciate. Today, it is December 23rd, 2022, and it's a little bit in between 12:30 and 1 p.m. I have the good fortune of being able to work from home today, and I'm pretty grateful for this opportunity because as we speak, a blizzard is blowing by. So while I was shifting between work and working on a project, while there's some downtime, inspiration struck, and I was guided to set up the camera and make the effort to share some of the awesome sights and sounds from outside with you. You know, in case you might enjoy a glimpse or two. Alrighty, so without further ado, I shall take you outside. And as we begin to head outside, I'll give you a quick glance of the little bit of snowfall that has begun accumulating on the balcony. Chewie was out there earlier and her little footsteps, or footprints, are currently being covered up, but that's okay. In short time, I'm sure she'll be making new ones. So this is being recorded live and direct and will be shared with you live and direct as well, meaning without being edited. So the sounds you are hearing are not distortions of the microphone. It's actually caused or the result of the tornado-like seems. Okay, I'll zoom in so you can see how the snow is twisting in the wind. Looking somewhat tornado-like indeed. So yes, with little tornadoes twirling by, the wind. The wind is whistling in different tones. I'm going to zoom in so hopefully you can see more of the magnificence of what is unfolding. Oh my goodness, this is quite something. So there's a bit of the balcony railing for some kind of perspective, and from there it's just the valley below. Let me see if I can get some of the street as well. There are vehicles out there, so you'll also be able to get more perspective on the weather with the traffic as a background. Okay, hold on. I'll most likely put in some filters or visual effects to hopefully emphasize the snowfall or the tornado-like tendrils of snow that are twirling by. What's happening? So snow is beginning to accumulate on me, and I'm not really prepared for this type of weather. So I'm going to head in for a little bit and perhaps get more prepared and let you continue to take in the sights and sounds as much as you wish. I'll be back shortly. Okay, ciao! The snowfall is becoming increasingly more dense, and if I had to be walking outside, I don't think I'd appreciate it as much as I am from up here in my cave, being able to admire the beauty of this awesome, what do you call this? Development. There we go. case. And in the spirit of sharing, I will let the camera keep recording for a little bit more, so that for posterity's sake anyway, we can capture what's happening in case someone out there might enjoy the view. Till our paths cross once again, thank you again, and as always, for tuning in. I wish you a very Merry Christmas holiday season and much wonderfulness for the new year 2023. Ciao for now. Oh, by the way, this is not a filter. This is not being recorded or shared or has been edited in black and white. This is full color, live and direct. And yes, it is as snowy and winter wonderlandly as it appears. Perhaps even more snow